Just 5 minutes.
Nti yen sha se Kotoko.
Yeah.
Because David Oklo na me kra no kwesi mbi se Kotoko si an why kra na be pam ho. There is no management oh. Because you can never be a Kotoko technical team member. 6 games, 1 lose 5, I draw 1. Interviewer no ebisa will say, was there any pressure? There is no pressure because it's work in progress. I go see progress bang. Maybe so. You can say work in progress. Progress bang. 5 games, 6 games, 1 lose 5, I draw 1. What say a work in progress? I don't understand. Bro, for the tremasi. Progress near the end.
Sir, and you say I'm being results.
Results no.
Work in progress.
There be results in the man. Not a neighbor. Tio, results in the man. But already the standard of play, the intensity of the play. So what your interviewer now? Board will be a hobo ni be dance say. At a point, it looks as if say, en swatre man on no free en swatre etwem sunyai etwem bechem abetwem o man kran so ebu akwa atre so folai ewura man to bank ma bedru stadium no onu we serious e de check Kotoko no man kasa efra da ko ja cha be bobom. And this coach is telling the world that it's work in progress. Progress bang. You can't play 6 games and draw 1 and lose 5. And my country will support us to say work in progress. This coaches must be sacked. These coaches must be sacked. But the question is, who is going to sack them? There is no power. The last time I came here and I'm making the structure of Asante Kotoko, there is a problem. And then Kotoko Bola Ogum ko press conference.
104.9 FM.
And to Okulo ye Okoba sebi and sebi si alobe kachere. You can never tell Asante Kotoko supporters to say in 6 games, what draw 1 lose 5. What's the work in progress? There is no pressure. This is not Kotoko, for Christ's sake. If say a more concrete management, strong management, this coaches last season, by this time, now coach no Philip our friend is saying, coach you free Burkina saying said Zebo. He was far better than this coach. By this time, ya pam no. Ya pam said Zebo, e man e call the chrome. But no ya dey chain. David Oklo and then Prosper Nartey Ogum. Let's tell ourselves the truth. Kotoko players na koso masapa.
104.9 FM.
90 plus 1. More than 4 or 5 defenders in the penalty area box. Mama 2 players have from Mwakosebo. Ah! Adrian Chomokana. I come the players nana. Bono omo mbwana. Coach is nasa. Yemfa say Ogumasa. Yemfa say David Okulasa. And the players na mo so mo jira park no so na mo se Kotoko jersey, red jersey. Just we akosi eduru baby. Na Joe Lewis kwa no. Obenya bia sa no obre. Sa just we a ene Sadrakado. We mu na se jersey no. Na Joe Lewis obenya bia sa akosi no obre. Sa just we no. Na players ako hu. Just we sa kwafu benya bia sa no obre. Bona Joseph Henrich Isa Ahmed omudia ne adim boy yam yehu ye no akosi sa players we they deserve more than lashes because you can't wear the red jersey and play this kind of football and from Asante Kotoko. And we a coach now so to her we say there is no pressure, work in progress. This coaches must be fired. There is no work in progress. There is nothing like work in progress said Jumana Koso. But the question is, who is watching the watchman? Why not?
104.9
say, your concrete management say, management way and a manager Kotoko. At the house to focus Diana, coach way and Campamono. Campamono. That coach way go to you.
Has a super coach to. On top of 3 matches on Uniba Kumpo. Has 3 matches to us. Well, lose Junina.
Hey! Baby, I knew you were ready to go.
Omoto.
Hey, Brady Yango.
Kotara gusu didi.
Hey! Kotoko has of folk. Et Kotoko has of folk penny.
Ebe ba.
Hey, Brady Yango. Has of folk na. What I saw about has there. Because has na anymore monakosi. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Evradi Yanko. Oh, Evradi for Kotoko has of folk. Yes, where you be Bobby.
Yes, yellow car leg in the essay. But says out 2 teams to pay your musa.
I was the league in the
League in Paya.
League no excitement.
Young kind was a
league attractive. Imagine say Kokone House of Folk as some more Africa. What about you to Grecon?
I'm waiting for Air Classico. How Ebeko?
The excitement.
What are you coming?
The excitement to be a member. Say Siana has to folk back on it. There is no excitement. Kotoko the Omuguso and Omuguso ye. And I don't know, so we are supporter. How you feel?
Work in progress.
Sabrofona na mentiasie. Sabrofona okay.
Work in progress.
In progress, ben.
That.
In progress, ben. But no open yourself. But who play now and that's all. And a friend work in progress. That coach, he doesn't deserve to be a Asante Kotoko. Asante.
But if Libo Bram
was here, I don't pay. I'm only so big. I'm Ghana football. Come soon. I'll cry and cry. Just to save Ghana football. I wake up every morning. Now me who say Kotoko has that form flat. No more warm on nine. Because now we are holding Ghana football. The future is not safe.
Yeah.
I'm not speaking as a Kotoko or House of Folk fan. I mean how these two teams impact our Ghana football. When they are very strong, what they can offer Ghana football. Open say Ghana football is an aswa. Let Kotoko House of Folk and you know Monasu. Then a solid Black Stars. It is done.
Yeah.
But yeah, that's why when I say Kotoko, I could 6 matches. No, we need beer. It should be a concern to the footballing governing body. It should be a concern to almost everybody. We should begin to ask questions. Yeah, Mr. Say no. Again, echo. Again, I see. Again, I could say by Rahumem. I'm a by Ramokesi. Because Yanko game new. Prosper Nartey Ogum. O first come you Kotoko na modi boni to say ya and kwanya successful. Ontie ni ye. Ufri wafa. At the wafa, I think that season the second or third. And I ba Kotoko. Ebeti league. Eja hokoye. The sabo na born this time around. I know na bo o first come na. Cause see and come say one timi anje league no. Na kai say first coming and you now to players no who buy at the time and na yampon some to players na go and now be fa omo players are over 2 omo no out the beka hono just about 4 or 5 pe na yampon sign in the transfer market and to the players now be fire and now the G League no and at this time around the open so free na no mouse ka say one kasa koto players never be me team ni mame it is now opportunity. Whether we IMC member or whether we a coach or their team ni yani diana baby a team no efri no e ho na ye fa fon fra o de wo call ye cause it will interest you to know say the highest paid coach in our league e you know $4,000 $4,000 and now je etibusumi bia allowance is almost about 5,000 Ghana cedis. Open so pe se wo ye nya wo pe bia de ma asa ma usika se koto players be ye the team no because o first come you buy no ne ato players amount o be G League na afedi na si e die na ba ama coach a o kabrofo ye feel say o de na ye lecturer ana se die Kotoko bobola who say coach bi ni kola ye train you
$4,000, almost 54 million a month.
54 million a month.
3,000.
537 million. And the crowd sano. Ma san wo so
530 million.
Right. New currency the crowd no. O de cost ti ni ma 537 million. Bosumi bi arsika e de ma no. 53,770 something no. 537 million. And Sakra na Busumi allowance depend for way. You say 5,000 Ghana cedis. And Ogum is the highest paid coach in the country. And this is the performance of the Kotoko. You are the highest paid coach. This is the money. Bosunu bi ansoma obenfo. They say IMC we no mo ni sponsor bia o. Omo ko fa hwemae. Eti bosume so anoma prepare budget. No mo dia kofi kesie ma ko gisika diaba. Anything na Kotoko ndi player bia ka yente say bosunu we Kotoko player bia efika ka mu no.
To 537 million.
537 million in the crowd no kwasi.
53,000.
53,772. I'm telling you kwasi.
Okay.
And what na mo de money to say. Adeko ja che hwen ko ho. En kama mo de mono e ma Kotoko mu nya de. But Kotoko si akanya enro na mehwe ball no. Mi hu se coach akọ ene nkla we ya training. En kurana sama. Mi hu esa no. Ni am fan describe Kotoko players no. Almost
5,050 million.
5,050 million.
Okay. Now we're 53.
53. 500 million. Okay. Kwasi. Sika ye ma coach nini. And the coach ye hu adwuma. Many person make players na sem because omuni coach na ye adwuma. Coach wo so na perform aba. Me bisa o mumwa me. Boni be na Justice Blay why coach no. Still consistently. All the player no e bossa e tire ho na o bre. Because no o tire ho bi na ball ni ko se o. Ball na e say win goal Justice. Blade na ho bi you ntem na ball nam. But you see, or a defensive midfielder, Obe very good when it comes to defensively. But men Meteno and Montisania or a converted, a renowned centre back. Makurani mo only a tip serif ni ho. I don't know more blame was 6 ho. Coach, I didn't know yes sir.
5 games now defense ni
Lucy.
First one not in the boat now say. But it's not in the boat Kofi Lucy. And to listen, I didn't know finding come be or boy or bunny in the mouth. Now pay naturally centre back and find me ball.
And then a coach was we are sir.
Oh, coach no coach no
in terms of making decisions in all yeah coach now can bro for no obre no minim ebia interview ano bro for no na no ye ne din dia na ye bisa asem we na ka say e work in progress you are worsening the pains of the supporters already Kotoko supporters are in pains and so some conference now you should be able to motivate speak kasa na motivate Kotoko supporters. The reason why the next game was from ba. Mon try say mo kasa mu no ebe mark supporters na who say your team no enya hwe yemra. But players need digu, coach digu. Na who say call press conference na say na who kasa. Na who kasa no so abu abam. It be bia there is nothing and a function of Kotoko. Now see yam pamo no coach be na ba players we aduma. Justice.
Na Kofi na de
coach be
na say coach be na
Sadra Kadu mo
ene Kofi na be ne den
coach be no ebetimi abesu Kotoko players wey e dey successful da. There is no coach, not even Pep Guardiola, ene ebetimi abesu Kotoko current players wey say was say they be successful.
At least there will be new energy.
Or they be 5th and 4th.
There will be new energy.
The energy will come, but still they will continue to lose. And your players are on FIFA. They deserve to be in Division 1 and 2. Among your Premier League materials.
That's a house for Premier League materials. I'm going to
what's he? Has the way.
Kofi Agbesima.
Wait.
Kofi Agbesima. How was he? Kofi Agbesima. Kofi Agbesima. Oba.
Has the no. Clearly, who say? So, Omone can work in progress. I'm media too.
Kofi sister work in progress. There's no work in progress.
Is there
work in progress? Formula work in progress. Watch the game against Media. Why is the work in progress?
Now, Sakipa no dem has no.
New keeper.
Sheriff.
New keeper.
Wow. Some papa.
So I am foreign now.
And then I'm a say. As I said, the baby atameda amusio ata. Na dia tay ye go play ball from lane ya.
Mini born about so open wa ko as a born na mo sa.
Na see teams we how many recruitment e ma omo. Omo wan gasa project be na omo de to ho no.
Back in fact. House of folk how we see peja ya. sisi ase
Katara boy me ko for ba kra ya de che
say ba fam no me dwene ho am
and say aba e say dwene good team e da fam team house no
because obi ohwe house fuck against Samates against Gold Stars what is the team no e ba fam Filippo A declining
house da fam say
and against Mediama
takwa
against Mediama
media one could show takwa instead of news media was show takwa
back of you play no me e ho na me problem ni no
it has to folk it na make say
who play no
if has to folk elusu awe di ma Mediama because you the man has the ne one say o tra fie ma Gold Stars e be say no
Koko pre-draw bi ko say it on so
and no na say has the no equity news kakra and ka has elusu di ma Mediama on any day it shouldn't be a surprise to us.
SK